In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file back taxes on TurboTax. Whether you missed the deadline or just realized you need to file a return for a previous year, TurboTax makes this process straightforward and manageable. Let's walk through the steps to get you back on track with your taxes. First, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax official website. This is the starting point for filing your taxes online and finding the help you need. Once you're there, you'll notice a few options on the homepage. Go ahead and click on the button that says File Your Taxes. This will guide you through the initial steps of the tax filing process. If you haven't been on TurboTax before, you might need to create an account. It's a simple process, and once you're set up, you can access all the features TurboTax offers. After you've clicked on File Your Taxes, you'll see an option to File Taxes for a prior year. This is where you want to focus if you're dealing with back taxes. By selecting this option, TurboTax will guide you to select the specific year you need to file for. They typically have options for several previous years, so make sure you choose the correct one. Selecting the wrong year could result in more complications, so take your time to ensure accuracy. Once you've selected the year, TurboTax will ask you to input your financial information for that specific tax year. This includes any income, deductions, and credits you might have had. It's helpful to have all your documents ready before starting this process. Look for your W-2s, 1099s, or any other relevant tax forms from that year. Having everything at hand will make the process smoother and help avoid any potential errors. After entering your information, TurboTax will calculate your taxes and provide you with a summary. Here, you can review to ensure everything looks correct. If there are any discrepancies or if you notice missing information, you can go back and make the necessary adjustments. It's crucial to double-check everything before submitting. Once you're satisfied that all the information is correct, you can proceed to file your back taxes. TurboTax will guide you through the submission process, and in most cases, you'll have the option to either e-file or print your return to mail it in. Keep in mind that for older tax years, you may need to mail in your tax returns as e-filing might not be available. And there you have it. Filing back taxes with TurboTax can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep copies of all your submitted documents and confirmations for your records. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, TurboTax offers support to help you through the process. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your tax records are up to date and accurate. Thank you for watching, and good luck with filing your back taxes.